If you're a fan of press-on nails, stay tuned because I'm gonna be creating some press-ons. Today I'm using the brand Betty Cora. This brand used to be on Amazon, but I haven't seen it anymore. I don't know what happened to the company. The ones I have here are the coffin shape. You can purchase full cover nail tips in many places. You can get from the most expensive ones made of gel to the cheapest ones that are made of plastic, like on Shein, Timo, websites like that. But it's up to you how much you want to spend. The cheaper ones, you can always strengthen them with builder gels or base gels. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just cleaning up the tip of the nails a little bit, and I'm using a dust collector because I don't want to be breathing in any dust from the nails. And then I'm moving on to a primer. The primer is going to create like a sticky layer, and it's going to help with the adhesion of the gel polish. Today I'm using a gel called Metal Painting Gel from Born Pretty. I'm gonna be curing each layer for 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply a jelly gel polish. Jelly gel polishes are semi-transparent, so depends on the base that you apply, you're gonna get different results because they're gonna show through a little bit in combination with the color that you're gonna be using. And the jelly gel polish that I'm using today is as well from Born Pretty. All the products links are gonna be in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out if you like any of this. As well, I'm going to leave a list of every item that you need to create press-on nails at home. I hope that is very helpful to you. For me, I started to use press-on nails because I am allergic to HEMA. HEMA is a strong chemical that is used in gel polishes. What I did, I waited almost a year before I try again because I had to do some healing around my fingers and around my nail tips. So once I was done with the healing, I went back and I tried a HEMA-free product. So you guys can see what I am using currently that doesn't give me allergies. But when I do get some PR products that are not HEMA-free, I prefer just to paint them right here on press-on nails. In that way I can wear them and I won't have any issues. Everything has to be super pure, and I make sure that I don't have anything laying around the table or there is some pure gel polish around me. That's why I wear gloves and I'm very careful that my skin is not touching anything. Today's tutorial is very short actually. Once I'm done painting these nails, I decided that on the other hand I wanted to leave it just plain red because I wasn't sure about the design that I was creating. And once I was done with these stickers here, I applied top coat on everything, and I'm gonna show you the result for both hands. And these are the results, as you can see here. One is the design that I created and one is plain. I think I like the plain nails in this case better. I wasn't planning very well on what I wanted to do, so this is the way they came out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I just want to say thank you if you watch until the end, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice day.